A lot of you have been asking how can you download those software that I talk about the other video that I made. I want to show you how to download those softwares for free. You don't need any website, any link, or any VPN. No, with just your Google Chrome, you can download them. Follow me.
You go to your Google Chrome, any browser that you have. Go to any browser that you have. From here, let me select Chrome. Choose Chrome. So from here now, type on this search bar, then search any software that you want. So let's start from Miracle Thunder. So what you're going to write here is Miracle Thunder. So don't forget I said XTM. You put an EXE. Have you? Miracle Thunder EXE like this. Then you hit that. As you can see now, the website. This website now. This is the website that this software is found inside. So no need for you to look for a website before downloading a software. Search it from Google. Once you type it, whenever you put this exe, it will bring you the software and the link. You can even copy the link from here to another browser or copy it and share to someone. Once that person click it, will just bring that person to the interface directly. Then you click it like this. Then look at it here. This one is Miracle Thunder official free. You can see it's free and it's version 2.882. This one, when you download this one, it will come in form of zip. It is a zip file. So I will also talk about how to install that zip file on your system. It's very, very important. With that zip file, it will enable you to access so many software. You understand? Some software without that zip file, you cannot extract them. So whenever you have the zip file installed, the WinRAR, it is called WinRAR. When you install it on your system, whenever you download a zip file to your computer, it will detect immediately and it will allow you to extract the software. So that is how you download. You click download and you download it. If you are using a computer, this is the same process you are going to follow. Look at the megabyte here. It will carry 898 megabyte. That's the size. So any information you want, you scroll and check and see of any software you want. So now let's type some FW2 like this. Don't forget put EXE. If you are using 32-bit, you can as well put 32-bit like this, so that the one you download, it will come in a form of 32-bit. And if you are using 64-bit, you put 64-bit this way, then you also download it this way. You understand? So whenever you hit search, it will come. So let me tell you about this software. This FW. You see this version 5.6. Before it was version 3 point something. So from there now they update it to version 4 point something. Then from there they still update to version 5 point something. I believe they are still going with their update. So whenever you are using it, maybe sometime if you want to log in, they will tell you that the software is outdated. So you need to update it. You click on the update, it take you to where you want to update it. But make sure your system is connected to an internet. So that version 3.5, that version 3 that I was talking about, that one you can even make use of it offline. But you see this new version, you cannot use it offline. You understand? You cannot use it offline. But that version 3, I will make a video about that version 3 also. So that version 3, you can make use of it offline. This one now, that is how you're going to download the software. Any software at all, just type the name and then put this EXE. If you are using a mobile phone, do it like this. Whenever you finish downloading, you can connect to your PC and copy it to your PC. Here is another, you see version, this one is version 4.9, but maybe when you download this one, it will tell you that you need to update it again to that version 5 point something. So that is how this one works. So let's check on let's say MTK flash 2. For this one, you put a version It's version 5 point. Look at the version here. This one now, with this one, you can do so many things with this software. This one can format a lot of things like all this screen lock. You can do it with this one. Look at the interface. This is how it works. You can also do Android phone with this one. There is another software called Aladdin, GSM Aladdin. That one is an old software, but it's good. I'll also talk about that one. It's good. But those that have Windows 7, congratulations, that one it will run on Windows 7 properly. But if you have Windows 10 or 11, I don't think that software will give you what you want. So that is how you download any software. Go to your Google and type the name of the software. Then make sure you include this exe like this. Trust me, the software will pop up. And mind you, some software have password. Whenever you are downloading, make sure you check to see if the password is around. Make sure you read and understand what they wrote there before you download. Maybe you might download without knowing that it's password. So when you want to extract, and to be asking you for the password. So take note of that.